Hi! Good morning, good earnings. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Leonora Isdi Chavez, 48 years old, former employee for 5 years, 11 years as FW in Hong Kong and Malaysia. I have 2 kids. I'm a business owner and a franchise consultant in this business. If you want to change your life, you are in good hands. Be a part of this business. Please watch the video until the end. If you want to change your life and you have your dream, please be a part of this business. Don't miss it. Kaibigan, pangarap mo rin ba na magkaroon ng sariling lupa at magandang bahay? Pangarap mo rin ba na magkaroon ng sariling sasakyan? At pangarap mo rin ba, kaibigan, na magkaroon ng maraming savings? Kapag ikay marami ng savings, syempre, pangarap mo rin makapag-travel katulad sa bansang Japan, Hong Kong, Korea, Taiwan. How to start home-based ticketing business in a minimal capital. No cash band, no quota. Hindi mo na kailangan ng pwesto, gamit mo lang ang iyong cellphone. Ang kailangan mo lang, mag-avail or mag-franchise ng aming wealthy bundles na worth of 18,908. Ang inclusion, meron siyang free products na worth of 16,000. Meron din kaming bill payments. Ang aming mga in-offer na services ay ticketing business, local and international, bill payments, remittance, e-loading, insurance, at marami pa pong iba. Ang kailangan mo lang ay mag-avail ng aming e-cash. When it comes po sa legalities, don't worry po. We are registered sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at AMLAC. Nakaregister din po tayo sa SEC. Lahat po ng business permit na comply po yan ng company. Ibig sabihin, we are legit 100%. Ang ating company po ay nagkaroon din ng mga awards at recognition. Ito po yung may-ari ng ating company na walang iba kundi si Presman Pascual at naimbitahan din po siya sa SONA ng ating Presidente ng Pilipinas na si Ferdinand A. Marcos at Vice President Sara Duterte. Be your own boss to your business. At ito pa ang aming mga business partners sa negosyong ito. At good news, meron kaming free seminar and trainings offline, online. See you, be your the boss on your business.